Welcome to Marmaris, one of the most enchanting destinations on Turkey's Aegean coast. Nestled between lush green mountains and the sparkling turquoise sea, Marmaris is where nature, history, and vibrant coastal life come together in perfect harmony. As we take you on this walking tour, you'll witness the unique charm of this town, from palm-lined promenades to lively marinas, from ancient walls to quiet coves. This once small fishing village has grown into one of Turkey's most popular holiday resorts. Its location is truly privileged, sitting right where the Aegean and Mediterranean seas meet, offering calm waters and stunning landscapes in every direction. Marmaris is especially famous for its scenic harbor and long, clean beaches. Along the coastline, you'll find countless cafes, beach clubs, and restaurants, each inviting you to pause and soak in the view. Whether you prefer relaxing in the sun or exploring vibrant local life, Marmaris has something for everyone. In ancient times, this area was known as Fiskos, an important port city in the Carian region. Throughout history, it was ruled by many civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, and Ottomans. Even today, you can still feel the layers of this rich past as you walk through the old town and visit Marmaris Castle, originally built by the Ionians and restored by Suleiman the Magnificent. One of the unique features of Marmaris is its ability to blend natural beauty with modern comfort. Pine-covered hills gently descend into crystal-clear waters, while elegant resorts and traditional gulets line the shores. Boat trips are a must-do here, especially the famous Blue Cruise along hidden bays and untouched beaches. The town is also a gateway to other fascinating places. Itzmiler, Turunç, Cleopatra Island, and even Dalyan with its rock tombs and caretta turtles are all within reach. Beyond its scenic beauty, Marmaris offers a welcoming, relaxed atmosphere. You'll see couples strolling along the marina, children playing near fountains, and travelers from around the world enjoying ice cream or sipping Turkish tea. As the sun sets, the energy shifts, the city lights up, and the nightlife comes alive. Bars and clubs by the sea draw in those looking for fun, while quieter corners invite you to unwind. Whether it's your first visit or you've been here before, Marmaris always leaves a mark. It's not just a destination, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a memory waiting to be made. We hope this short walk through Marmaris inspires you to experience its beauty in person. Until then, enjoy the sights, and don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful walking tours from around Türkiye.